The Larson Electronics IND-DHA-FUVC-EX-36-2L-V2 is a far UV sanitation fixture that disinfects 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores in locations requiring an aesthetically pleasing germicidal fixture for occupied areas. This eye and skin-safe disinfection unit uses two 40-watt Excimer lamps that emit far UV 222 nanometer germicidal light. Protected by a heavy-duty aluminum housing with a two-layer powder-coated gray finish, the germicidal light features back-mount L brackets. The housing on this fixture is constructed of aluminum with a two-layer powder-coated gray finish for durability. This sanitation fixture is a powerful and sleek lighting solution for restaurants, businesses, busy locations, and occupied areas. The light emits a flood beam pattern and offers an expected lifespan of over 10,000 hours. Far UV 222 nanometer light is considered to be eye and skin safe for humans, allowing the lamps to be used in occupied areas safely with minimum risk. This Excimer lamp fixture provides an instant-on startup that does not require a warm-up period. Excimer lamps are at 100% peak output when switched on. Excimer lamps have no mercury, are environmentally friendly, and produce no harmful UVC radiation or wasteful visible light and infrared light. Excimer lamps are more efficient at converting electricity into UV irradiance, which reduces the heat output from Excimer lamps over other technologies. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.